How to add a Snapchat story to your story. Open the Snapchat app. The stories from your friends appears here. Just tap on Story. You are tagged in. You are not able to repost someone's story until you are tagged in story you are sharing. Now go to the chat of the friend mentioned you. Here, open the story. Now you can see the option of Add to Story. Just click on it. Now make the changes if you want. You can add anything from here. Now just share it. Remember one thing, you must be tagged in friend story, then you are able to share it to your story. That is how you can add a Snapchat story to your story. That's all from today. If you really enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an upload.